protest appears to have started there in Bengaluru by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they want to lay siege even to the Vidhan Sauda. The Bharatiya Janata Party, clearly as an opposition in the state, are gunning for the Siddaramaiah government. Sagai, if you can hear me, go ahead. What's happening? What is written on these banners? Take us through all the details. Go ahead, Sagai.
That is our today demand.
So now we can see that BJP is protesting in front of Valmiki statue near Legislators House. Now they will be marching towards Vidhan Sauda, protesting against Karnataka Congress government on the series of allegations on scam, especially when it comes to Valmiki scam. The leaders are protesting and demanding that the government should take appropriate action, and even the chief minister should tender the resignation. And remember, yesterday the Karnataka government have ordered for a judicial inquiry in the Muda scam as well, but the BJP is demanding nothing less than a CBI inquiry will be required in this particular case, where they have alleged that the chief minister's family and chief ministers had involved in this particular scam. We are joined with leader of opposition, Mr. R. Ashok. Sir, what is your demand today? Why are you protesting?
They looted 187 crores of Dalit amount. So Siddaramaiah have to resign. This is a big scandal in Karnataka. In the history of Karnataka, this type of 180 crores, 100% looted. 100% Congress government looting the Dalit amount. That's why we demand Siddaramaiah have to resign.
So if you notice, there is already a CBI inquiry in this scam, and there is also a SIT which is investigating in this. But still, why do you demand a resignation of the chief minister when it...
Because this minister already resigned. He taken only 20%. 80% goes to parliament election. So Siddaramaiah is involved in this. That's why we are demanding CBI inquiry.
Are you satisfied with government decision on ordering judicial inquiry in the Muda scam?
No, nothing. Only CBI, only can investigation CM. Other this cannot investigation this big scandal.
What is your demand in the Muda scam, sir, from the government?
Huh?
What is your demand in the Muda scam when it comes?
That's also we demanded already CBI inquiry, because it is 3,000, 4,000 crores, big scandal. That's why CM has to resign. That inquiry has to go to CBI. That's our demand.
But the Congress claimed that the BJP, when it was in power, they have allotted the land to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's wife Parvati, sir. You were in power, but unnecessarily you are raising this particular issue.
Yeah, no, unnecessary, no. Whoever, any government, it's BJP or JDS, Congress, we are not worried about that. Who made a mistake, they have to go to jail. This, all the site have to come back to the government. That's our demand.
So this is the demand of the leader of opposition and the BJP here in Karnataka, where they are protesting against Karnataka Congress government over the series of scams, including Valmiki, Muda, and other scams as well. And we just spoke to the leader of opposition, R. Ashok, where he has demanded nothing less than a CBI inquiry when it comes to Muda scam as well, where they claim that the family of chief minister involved in this, and now all the MLAs and MLCs from the BJP are marching towards Vidhan Sauda, protesting against all these scams on day one of monsoon session in the state of Karnataka.